I'm actually a teacher at Excell, and last week I was asked to escort 3 scholars to Aruba, and I just thought that it was amazing. I actually came here last month to visit with my family, and I knew what such a beautiful island Aruba was, and I thought that it would be a great experience, especially visiting schools and learning more about the Growns Project. We've been at the school for 2 days now, and the girls have had such a great opportunity just to be in the school, but also they have partners at the school where they're able to learn throughout the day with the students, and we're actually leaving that freedom to them, and they come back every day. Well, the past 2 days they've come back with great stories about things that they've learned, experiences that they've done in the schools that they're not able to do at home. One interesting conversation we had with the teacher yesterday was about the age difference in some of the students and how we begin our education, like with kindergarten and preschool, so a little bit earlier than the elementary school here in Aruba. So we talked a lot about that, and we also talked about the things that we teach in our classrooms and how we teach them a lot about differentiating the learning and learning styles. So we were able, it wasn't that I was teaching, it was more of a conversation where we both learned a lot from each other, and we talked about different things that we did in our classroom with small groups, whole group lessons, and things like that. I think that it's very important, and our girls are very grateful for the opportunity and the initiative that Aruba and the U.S. and the United States and Washington, D.C. that we have, because not only are we learning a lot here, but there are things that we can take home. Because oftentimes I think that our girls and our students at our school take for granted the growing and how they're able to grow things naturally, because we so often just go to the store to pick things up. So I think that the opportunity that the girls are here and they're able to see that how important it is and how lucky we are to have the climate that we have in Washington, D.C., that they'll be able to take that back to our school and to teach the scholars, the students there, because we say it all the time as teachers, but I think that it's a different level of importance when they get it from their peers and students their age. So we're going to continue the partnership among teachers and students, and we're also going to send pictures of our garden there and things that we do to go green at our school. So we're going to continue to do that, and we also would love to have some students from Kudueche visit Excell Academy. We'll be ending our school year next year, so next week. So yes, their last week of school is next week, so we can have some conversation about this exchange and them coming to visit Excell Academy sometime next year.